Lee Funderburk with Stoney Creek Farm. I wanted to show you an idea. This is for your backyard, could be for your small farm, whatever you're trying to grow, but this is specifically for the winter time. And this is actually a cold frame that we use during the winter. And now in the spring when it got hot, we took the windows off, but we actually had old recycled windows here on top of the garden bed, and we just built a frame for the, and this is actually a 4x8 raised garden, and then we just built the frame and then put windows on top of that, and we take them off in the spring. But all winter we get to eat wonderful things like kale, turnip greens, lettuce, any cold weather vegetables. We even have carrots in here, radishes, lettuce, just a lot of warm or cool weather vegetables that we can use all through the winter, and there's nothing like fresh vegetables. Thank you, Lee Funderburk, Stoney Creek.